What is up, you shoe fanatics? My name is Izzy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to cop the Daniel Arsham times Adidas Futurecraft 40, releasing on October 12, 2018. Alright guys, before I show you guys the method and how to do it and how to set up the AIO bot, you guys can do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button. I know I've been lagging guys with the videos. Last time I uploaded was 2 weeks ago. I'll make sure I try to be more active and create more videos for you guys so you guys are better aware of what you guys are able to cop and how much it's going to be. Alright, let's go back into the video. So first off guys, go ahead and go to soullinks.com. I'm going to provide that down in the description if you guys didn't know about that already. It has a couple of shipping stuff that already has information on which shoes are going to be selling for which online. So your best bet in all seriousness for this shoe today is going to be probably going through the raffle since it is going to be a very limited shoe. The retail price is going to be $4.50 plus shipping, which is going to be another $10. The style code is BD7400 right there. And then pretty much guys, what you want to do, like I said, is go for the raffles. I'll make sure if I get more information on other websites that are releasing this stuff, I'll put it down in the description in a document for you guys so you guys are well aware and know the times of the release. Alright guys, so let me just get back into the video and show you how to do it on AIO bot. So first things first, obviously you want to open the bot. I want to make sure it's updated. Now guys, I haven't updated because I have not used AIO in a hot minute. I've been so busy with schoolwork that I just haven't even been able to go for a lot of shoes. But I did get the Converse off-white shoes, which was pretty lucky. I got 3 pairs somehow, going through the Nike app and then one on raffle and stuff, so yeah. But anyways, back to the video. Alright, so first things first guys, you want to make sure that this is how you have the latest update version of the AIO bot. And then for this example, we're going to be using Adidas. So I already have the link here, right here. So what you're going to do is just go to click that, copy it, go back to this, whatever you got to use for your website. Open this back up. The negative keyword is going to be XXX. Make sure you guys have Adidas. Now what you want to do is you want to run multiple tasks. I definitely recommend you guys running proxies. Oculus proxies are really recommended or depending on your area. Those are probably the most fastest ones that I recommend by far right now. That or dropclub.io. Obviously, you guys use discount code sell sneakers at checkout. You guys get 10% or 5% off. So that's another good thing. But like I said, so make sure you guys run both Adidas and Adidas too. Make sure you guys run about 20 proxies or 2 proxies per task, but get as many proxies as you can so you get a faster checkout. Obviously, guys, the faster the better. And then after that, you want to go to early link, and you want to just paste that link right there. And its size doesn't really recommend. Or whatever, I pick usually my size, which is an 8.5. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that as my example, of course. Then obviously with Adidas, you can do guest checkout, so make sure you can do that. Or you can log in with your email and put in your password and whatever you want to do with that. Now, I would definitely recommend you guys doing, like I said, using the Adidas one and Adidas 2. I'll run those 2 tasks, do like 50-50. I also recommend you using the PID number for the early link as well. So, for example, if you guys are on here or whatever, you run some tasks with the link that I told you with the Adidas, then use a style code, copy that, open up your AIO bot, and then you can also just put that in there too. Run a couple tests with that, so just to make sure that the page is getting monitored, or you can even try to mess around and put it in the page monitor, but I wouldn't recommend doing that. Just put this right here. Now, obviously, I would obviously recommend that you guys do this manually for checking out. I do recommend you also putting your card and seeing that works too. In order for you to do that, just go to configure, go to manage billing, and you go right click, add new, and then fill out this information. You also have your PayPal information right here. I'm pretty sure Adidas does also accept PayPal, so make sure you guys have, like I said, multiple tasks running with that. Now, if you guys do want to run more than one item on this website and get more, I obviously recommend you guys get multiple credit cards. I don't think privacy is working on Adidas anymore, but you can try. Uh, I'll put that in the description. Privacy is just like what's it called? It makes like credit cards for you and stuff like that, like burner cards. So you could use it for one-time use, and it just acts like other stuff. And you could change it to different shipping addresses. Recommend you doing your neighbors, your friends, or even your family members if you're going for more than one shoe. And then, like I said, so just fill this out. Then once you're done, put save. Obviously, I don't have anything, so I'm gonna put cancel. Cancel. And now to insert your proxies, I want to do is go configure proxies. And then you want to put 50-50 normal and monitor ones. So obviously you can see that right there. Go to new list, put your proxies in here, put the name of it, the type. You want to put the normal or monitors, like I said, do 50-50, and make sure you enable this proxy list. And you don't have to use this one if you don't want to. Because if you use this, you could be banned. So I recommend you not doing that. So yeah, just put cancel. And then when you're done, click save. Then I definitely recommend you guys running this probably like 2 minutes prior to the drop, in case your stuff picks up with the monitors and stuff like that. If you guys have cook groups like I do, or like I have my own, you get stuff on the monitor pages when it goes lives and stuff. So I recommend you doing that. And then once you get past the queue, you're pretty much set. When you get into the shoe, it's gonna be loading up in here. Then when it's loaded up in there, it's gonna do its own thing. It might take a couple of seconds, or it might even more. Definitely recommend you guys monitoring the entire page the entire day. If you guys have multiple proxies and you guys are set. And then once it's added on the shoe site, it'll be right here. It'll be trying to check out either if you did it manually. If you're gonna do it manually, you're gonna right click and then you're gonna just check out. It says like a list of to enter your username and password to your proxy and stuff. And once that's done, just check out like that. Or like I said, you could do it automatically by putting in your information with your credit card, your debit card onto the managed billing, and it should check out by itself. Now, if you guys are getting error messages, it's probably because there's other bots that are beating you to it. That usually happens at checkout. So don't get discouraged or get upset. It does happen. It did happen to me multiple times, and it's just gonna keep on doing that. So like I said, just recommend you guys doing this 2 minutes prior. And if you guys have any questions or any other stuff like that you need help, excuse me, sorry, my throat, help with, I'll definitely help you guys out in the comment section below. So like I said, if you find this video more helpful or anything like that, just make sure you guys hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, and I'll make sure to make more videos. I'm probably gonna be making a tutorial on how to use Eve. Shout out to my friend Adam for letting me use his bot and stuff. Um, haven't got any success yet, but I am learning the bot. Then shout out to Cypher for letting me use NSB. We'll be making a video on that one too, because these bots have been cooking lately, and I have been seeing it because my friends use it as well. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you guys hit that like button or comment down below, and I'll be sure to reply back to your comment. Alright, guys, thank you, and enjoy the next video coming up. Peace.